Okay, welcome back. Once again, we have a lock from J.j.80 from England. This is an Evva. I think this is an Evva DPI, same as the Evva I got from Norseman. It's the same kind of keyway. They have the same dimensions, even look the same in the back, and both of them have an a bar inside them, a side bar in the beside the core in the lock body. So I thought we'd try this one on camera. The keyway is really tight, so I'll have to use a really thin. I use a thin Euro hook to get by that warding. So let's try it out. I picked this once earlier today, and the trick is to set number 1 and number 2. You get a false set, just like the Evva from Norseman. And then proceed in setting the pins inside of it further in. See how this goes. The wording is really restrictive. It's very hard to get the pick inside. Here we go. Set 1 and 2, 5, 4, 3, and it will open. So let's see what's inside of this one. Set my camera. Sorry about the shaking. So let's see. C-clip. Comes off. I don't have any keys for these. There were only one lock from J.j.80 that had a key, and this schlag. So if I drop the core, I'll have to pick it again. But let's not. Okay, let's see. The Evva 5-pinner. What have you in for us, stock for us today? We have a spool, very long spool. Another spool, looks familiar. Another spool. Really tall looking spools. And I bet the 2-in-1 are standards. Yeah, standard. And the one we have, oops, come on, standard. The number 1 pin was left in the chamber. Standard bottom pin, number 1. Standard bottom pin 2. Standard in number 3. As well as number 4. And number 5. Look at that. And we have a sidebar. But since we don't use a key, we don't have to take that one into account. So the Evva 5-pinner from J.j.80. See if I can look at that. There we go. Nothing special with the core. 3 spools and 2 standards in the top. So that's it. J.j.80, thank you for the lock. I'll keep on going with the ones I have left. See ya!